Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider how you impart advice to a beginning student, which you may have done, you may not have done. You may have done it many times, and it might have been consistent advice, and it might be varying as you grow and learn. And it might be varying because it's specific to the student or their background or something. But at any rate, of all the advice, if there is that much, that you might offer a beginner student, maybe it's the very first day, maybe it's the very first few moments in class, maybe it's sort of in the early part of their martial arts studies, in the first 6 months or a year, perhaps. But consider of all the advice that you might give or have given to a beginning student in your art, consider it for yourself in your practice this week or today. If you're giving that advice, it's something you value. If you value it, we'd like to think that you don't just not pursue it, not deepen it, not put it at the front burner in your practice. A lot of times people have something that they value, and they get it polished, they get it sharpened, they get it shaped, but then they don't really pay any particular attention to it until they want to give it to somebody else. But in their own practice, it's something that they value in their heart, in their mind, but not in their actions. So rededicate yourself to the embodiment of the values that you espouse and that you pass on through your advice. So thank you very much. And remember, every breath is an opportunity to learn. Every bit of advice is every bit of you. Thank you. Love.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.